In this video, we will discuss about the motion of electron in the presence of electric field in a conductor. So for this, I consider this is your conductor, and this conductor is attached with a battery of potential V through this key. As I close this key, this battery produces or creates electric field inside this conductor. Because of this electric field, the electrons which are present inside a conductor will be moving towards, or will be shifted, or will be drifted towards the positive terminal of the battery. As we know that if the direction of the electric field is along this direction, then this electron will be drifted to the opposite direction of the electric field. So the electron which are present inside, there are a lot of free electrons are there inside a conductor, and all these electrons will be drifted towards the positive terminal of the battery. Now what is the force? So these electrons will be moving towards. In this video, we will discuss about the motion of electron in the presence of electric field in a conductor. To understand it, I have taken this is your conductor, and this conductor is attached with a battery through this key. This battery is providing the potential to this conductor, and this potential produces an electric field uniformly inside a conductor. Means the electric field at each and every corner of this conductor is uniform. We know that when the electron is placed inside electric field, then it will experience a force in opposite direction, and the force is given by F is equal to the charge of the electron into the electric field. As we know, the formula is this much. So all these electrons will have a force, will experience a force towards the positive terminal of the battery. So because of this force, all the electrons will gain the velocity along the positive terminal of the battery. Because of this force, all the electron जो है वो velocity gain करते हैं along this direction. So we can say that the electron inside a conductor have two type of velocities. उनके पास दो velocities होती हैं. एक तो thermal velocity, that is of the order of 10⁵ to 6, and other velocity which we have discussed because of the electric field. We know that path of the electron is random. Suppose the electron's path inside a conductor is along this direction and reaches to this point, and it is when there is no electric field. Now if you apply a electric field, or electric field is applied, that is positive terminal along this side and negative this much. So because of this positive terminal, this electron will experience a force which we have discussed along the positive terminal. Because of this electron have two velocities. One velocity is along this direction, and the second velocity it gains along the positive terminal. So because of these two velocities, this electron will move, or will have two velocity. Because of this, electron will be drifted towards the positive terminal. So its motion will look like along this direction because of this electric field. Similarly, it collides with another one electron, so its path is changed. As it collides with the other electron, it loses all of its acceleration or velocity gained. जो भी velocity gain करी थी because of this electric field has been lost. That is equal to 0. So again, these electrons will be drifted towards or experience a force because of this electric field, so it moves and have a velocity along this direction. So it gains the velocity along this direction. Because of this, it is drifted towards the positive terminal. Similarly, like this one also. And if you keep on drawing the diagram this much, and the last you will find that the particle has reached this point B. Now if you see here, if there is no electric field, the particle position was B dash. Because of this electric field, the particle's position has been or is B. This means that because of this electron has been drifted along this direction, that is along the positive terminal. So this is known as this distance along the positive side is known as a drift, and the velocity with which it is moving along the positive terminal is known as a drift velocity. To understand it, I have drawn this diagram. Suppose the river is flowing in this direction. Now I want to cross from this point O to this A point. I want to cross this river. If I want to cross this river, I will start the journey. Now I want to cross this river to the point A. But when I am crossing this river, because of the velocity of the river, I will be pushed toward this direction. Because of this push, I will not able to reach at A point. I will be reaching to the point B. So that is known as a drift. I have been drifted from point A to B. So the velocity with which I have been drifted is known as drift velocity. In the next video, we will discuss about the drift velocity.